Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Logitech G102. Now this is a new mouse that I got for myself because my birthday is today, but I got this on Wednesday. And this video is being recorded on Wednesday, so just to let you all know. But before I get started, please, because it's my birthday, hit that subscribe button to make it as a birthday gift. I know it's a bit of a cheesy way to say subscribe, but hey, why not? It's my birthday. So basically, this is, first I'm going to do an unboxing of it, which is the first part you can see, and then I'm going to do the review afterwards and also see how well it performs with games. But yeah, so let's get to the unboxing first. First I'm going to say the specs, then I'll do the unboxing, then we'll do the review on that. So basically this mouse is capable of 8000 DPI, which is not too bad, and it seems like it's very light also. Let me see if I can find the weight, which should be somewhere. Yeah, I can't find the weight, but it is a very nice mouse. And honestly, as you can see by the picture, it has RGB everywhere, and it is not wired, so there's something else to think of. But yeah, let's get to the unboxing and then I'll show you how well it performs with certain games. So yeah, let's switch. As you can see right here, it's not bad lighting. And install the G-Hub. But yeah, I'll bring you guys back to when I'm going to test out those games. So let's cut right here. Okay, so as usual with the unboxing and the review of how it works with games, it's working quite great. And before I carry on, this is a different day, also with the shirts and that, and the power is out. There was a planned power outage, but the video will still also go up. The outage is until 6 p.m. or 8 p.m. But yeah. So overall, with the G102, it's a very good mouse. Honestly, as you saw with the last test, it's very sensitive. I don't think anyone would really need 8,000 DPI. Yeah, I think, yeah. But yeah, 8,000 is too much. So I keep it around about 1,000 or so. And honestly, in this G Hub, you can easily configure all the settings with the RGB styling. You can have custom RGB, you have waves, different animations that you can have, and you can even use it with audio. So when, let's say you're playing Call of Duty, for example, and you're shooting, you can do it where every click can basically flash a color, which is not too bad at all. And this mouse was actually quite cheap. Before you complain in comments saying, what do you mean by cheap? How cheap is it? Just wait. Okay. So basically, it's about, for me in South Africa, it's 500 rand, basically. It's around about 500 or 550 to be exact. So it's actually not too bad. In dollars, I think it's about 80 or 50 or something like that. That's not too bad. But yeah. So I recommend this mouse to everyone that's starting off with gaming, or just when anyone that's just looking for a decent mouse or a high-end gaming mouse, because this mouse is quite powerful. There are tons of more mouses that can go up to, I think there's one with Logitech that goes up to 16,000 DPI. So I don't think you need that much. But otherwise, yeah. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, comment down below what you guys want to see next. And tomorrow there will be a video, or Saturday there will be a video of a little vlog of what I'm doing for today, for my birthday. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy and see you guys in the next video. Bye.